Hello, this is Anvesh, and we are Team 1. So now I'm going to explain my Lab 1 assignment. So here in the Lab 1 assignment, we need to create an student portal web application. So inside the student portal web application, we need to implement these many details, like I need to put account details, single student details, courses, and the books, calendar, everything. And the web page and the sample web page should be look like this. And so let me first of all let me run my application to show the demo. So here I have two components like a client and server. So for the client side, I'm use Angular, so I'm going to use ngserve command to run my client side. And when it comes to the server side, I'm going to use Node.js. So for the Node.js, to start the Node.js, I need to give the command like npm start. So if we give that like npm start, the database connection should be get connected. So it is saying that the database connection is successful. That means the Node.js, the database is connected and everything is good to go. So and when it comes to the client side, it's still taking time to run my application. Yeah, it is saying that compiled successfully. So my application is listening on the port 4200. So let me go to that port here. So localhost 4200/sign up. So it directly redirects to the sign up page. Now so suppose customer some student is not giving any details and he is giving the sign up button, it will show the pop-up message like please fill the form correctly. So we use these many validations, and also we put I am putting Sai Sampath Kumar Raigiri, and the email as Sai Sampath Kumar @gmail.com. And so we put in a checklist for like a password for the password and the re-enter password. If these two passwords are not matching, it's gonna show another time the pop-up message that the passwords are not matching. So I'm giving 1234 and 12345. If I'm giving sign up, it is saying that passwords are not matching. So now next, now I'm giving same password as given for the password what I given earlier. So now I gave both passwords 1234. Now if I give sign up button, it will automatically redirect to the home page, and the details will be automatically saved in the database. So to show whether the details are saved in the database, I will open my mlab account. So we have a DB called a web lab name 1. So here in the student details, I have 6 documents. So if I give sign up button, the one more record will be added to the mlab account. So the number of records will gonna be 7. So let me check that. So it is saying the database details saved successfully. Okay, so it is going to home page. Now, so let me refresh this one. So it is saying like the student details is 7. Previously we have 6, now we have 7. That means the student account, the one of the collection has been added there. So this is the collection what I Sai Sampath Kumar Raigiri, Sai Sampath Kumar @gmail.com. And so this is the post method what we are using, and we are saving the details in the database. And so here this is the home page for the student world. Here we have some multiple tabs like home, friends, announcements, video lessons, discover books, and the calendar, everything. I will explain each and every tab later on the video. So we have the profile button. If you give the profile button, it will show the name, email, age, address, everything which has been retrieving from the database. And also here if you're we can update any information regarding to the profile here. So the name I can give it as an Anvesh, everything, and I can save it so that it will show the pop-up message like details has been saved successfully. And we can check here the particular DB will be go and store in this profile details. So next one is a profile. Profile is so the edit course. So here we can add any new course details over here. So for suppose I'm trying to add as a course called cyber security, professor name Lee, and the credits is 3, and the description I'm just putting CB. So before that, let me check, go to the course details. We have 6 documents. If I give the save button, the document number should be increased to 1. So let me save this one. So it is saying details are saved successfully. Now let me refresh this page and check whether the document is saving or not. So you can see here the course details has been changed from 6 to 7. That means an extra course has been added to Mongo database. So this is the implementation for the edit course button. So now when it gives to the home, it gonna display what are all the course details present in the Mongo database. It's gonna display on this home page. So as of now, we are seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that means in our database we have course details 7. It is showing 7 courses which are present. It automatically shows the course name, professor, and a small description about this course. So this is what we're showing in the home. And in the friends, I am restoring this profile details over here, and I am putting like we have some 5 details in the profile details collection. So I'm showing the 5 friends over in my Mongo database. I'm showing in this particular account. And when it comes to the announcement, so these are some announcements which are on the training. Some announcements what we put. If we go to click this one, it will go redirect to that particular page, and we can go to that particular announcement. We can read about that regarding that announcement. This is the announcement tab. And the video lessons, in these video lessons we put in some YouTube URLs to learn any important URLs like software engineering, data science, or discrete mathematics, like something what about data science, everything. And when it comes to the discover books, basically we put some books URL related to our subject. I put for the advanced software engineering, web development, and the Python programming. So this is some slight description about this program, and if you click, it go to the particular website or a blog to check regarding these details. The same thing it will go for this too. And calendar, we just put a small calendar for this. And at last, if you give the logout button, it will automatically goes to the sign in page. So I didn't show the functionality from the sign in page. I just show only from the sign up page. So let me show from the sign in page. So I create now Sai Sampath Kumar @gmail.com 1 2 3 4. So now if I give sign in, it will go to the home page, and the rest everything is same what I explained earlier. So this is the slide, the basic demo for the web student portal web application. Let me go through the code for this. So when it comes to the code, so basically I use 2 components, one for client and one for server. So first of all, I will explain the server. In the server side, I'm using my Mongo database. So I'm using the Mongoose driver, and I'm using the DB string. I'm giving username and the password, and my DB name is Lab1. What's the same what I'm using here? You can check here. Database is Lab1, and I'm just trying to create the 3 models, like 3 collection details, student details, profile details, and course details. And I'm trying to connect to the database. If it is connected, it say database connection is successful. Otherwise, it will say database connection is unsuccessful. And I'm using some Express to connect the data. So this is the code for connection details. And when it comes to the, so here and here I think I created the schemas for each and every collection. So what are all the required fields for that particular endpoint or particular task. So I created the collection, the schemas for each and every collection. And here I wrote some get URLs. So I'm trying to get it by professor namely, and for the friends search, I'm trying to display all the friends what I have in the backend database. And when it comes here, sign in is everything. So it's a get and post operations. So this is a code related to the server. So when it comes to the client, So I created so many components for each and every tab. I created the component. Let me go to open that component. So you can see here for the sign up, if the for the sign up I use the sign up component, sign in component for the home, courses component, friends. So for each and every tab I created in each component. So if you press in that particular tab or link, it will automatically redirect to the particular component. So first, when it comes to the sign in, so I'm just giving the username and password, and I'm putting the router link as a sign up, the slash sign up in the sense. So it will come here in the app.routing model to sign up, and it goes to the sign up component. So it will check everything, and if you give OK button, then it will automatically redirects to the home page. So then in the home page, for each and every tab I created in the component. So if you give the home, it will go to the slash home in the sense like it's a course component, what I say. So slash home for the course component. And so let me go to I will explain for one component. So for example, I will go for the announcements. So for the announcements, like slash announcements. So for the slash announcements, the course component is announcements component. Let me go over there. So in the announcements component, I'm gonna open the HTML file for this. So you can see here, first you are just displaying the image and the URL. I mean what and where that particular URL needs to be redirected. So I'm trying to put some 3 to 4 URLs what I have to do. So the same thing what I did for the calendar, course edit, discover books, edit profile, everything. So like one more I will explain one more functionality like friends. Let me go explain for the from client to server side. So you can see here in the friends component. So basically what I'm doing is, so if you put on click on the friends component, so by using ng init, so if we give the ng init in the ts file, it will automatically, if you click the home, the friends link, it will automatically read this ts file, and it will goes to this friends/search. So this friends/search is present in the index.js over here. So you can see, I will show here. So you can see here friends.search, and I am putting profile details.find, and I'm trying to fetch all the friend details from the profile details in the collection, and I'm trying to get over here. Let me close this tab so that we can get confused. So so I'm getting all the details here, and I'm trying to iterate each and every details what I'm getting from that collection by using ngFar, and I'm I'm displaying user ID, name, email, contact, age, university, and address. So same thing I'm doing for each and every component. So with this we are done with the lab assignment what we have given. We use all the Mongo database, Angular, Node.js, everything, each and every technology. So I think we completed this lab assignment. That's it, and we are going to upload our wiki link, and I'm gonna submit the document in the Canvas. So thank you.